Well, it probably sounds super funny. And I'm being introverted one. It's not the easiest thing for me to do in here and show you my lovely morning routine for getting clear mind. And if I sleep very bad, like maybe my daughter is waking me up and I didn't slept very well, then this is like lifesaver. It's it will wake you up, it will make your mind clear, it will make you positive, and on the top of all, you will look great. So I can say that I use my fingers. It's like very firm, and it's not painful. It's not very soft and not painful. It's a tapping that you should try, and it should be comfortable for you, and at the same time you should feel it. And because I've seen many videos about tapping, this is somehow my intuitive practice. I think in Asia they will know everything about the acupuncture points, which I don't know perfectly, but it works, and it works easily, and it doesn't take almost any time. And as I mentioned in many videos before, I do meditation every day. I do sing my mantras because I love them. You can use positive affirmations. You cannot say anything if you don't want. It will wake you up. Just try it. It's amazing. So I start with the third eye. I do it this way, and I add my second hand, and I do forehead, under eyes, my lips and under lips, and my bones, and then I go to my head. And this is important because I found out that it's the head that is very often tired somehow, or maybe I didn't get enough sleep, so I'm kind of tired in mind, I would say. So I really do the whole head. And if you ask me what points exactly, then I would say all of them, all of them, until you feel that whole head is waked, it's connected. It's I even feel like it lights up all the points in my head. And when I finish, like after maybe 3 minutes, and I do sync with it, my Ganesha or other mantras of my heart, it actually makes even the affirmations or the meditation like 100 times more powerful. I mean it seriously. I literally feel that after this couple minutes that I give to myself, I'm awoke, and my mind works better, and I think better, and I feel better. So thank you.